Now that we have design markers set within our vertical design drawing, it's helpful to create flow labels to show where the drainage is going during the design process. You can create flow labels through the vertical control tab of the ribbon under the flow labels panel, and I'll start by just setting some preferences here. The text height is going to be 2 units. No plot layer, precision as such around the values on calculation, and our linear connection format is great, but won't worry about that. So our important one here is the text height of flow labels, but we can change that at any time. To create a flow label, we start by zooming up, and I'll just select some design markers at random. I'll want to know what the grade is through this curve return, so I'll create flow labels by % grade from there to there, curved there. So there's my label. I'll just hit return and do it again. Create another one on a straight segment from the return to the point of curvature. That's linear. Do another one here, and so on.